how to fix lag in Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch 2. So I'm going to show you a few different things. For the first one, you want to go into your system settings, then you will just navigate to internet, select internet settings. Now right here you want to find the network which you use to play. So we're just going to click on that network, change settings, and scroll down until you see MTU. Select it and you want to change it from 1400 to 1500. Once you have done this, you want to click on save. Alright, now we can go back and we want to open up Fortnite. And once you have Fortnite open, if you're still experiencing any lag, what we want to do is click the plus sign and we will go into settings here. Click on settings, again settings, go to the game tab, and where it says matchmaking region, change it from auto, you want to press A. Here you want to find the region which gives you the least amount of MS, because auto sometimes can mess up, so you want to find the region which gives you the least MS here. So for me it's going to be Europe, and we just want to set this, click X to apply, and then we will go back, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.